I love making crafts that get my kids into the Thanksgiving spirit. If you want to show what you're thankful for this year, follow along and make this handprint turkey with me. The supplies you'll need are brown, yellow, red, and orange paper, something to draw a large circle, a small circle, a black marker, glue, a stapler, scissors, and a pencil. Let's start off by making your turkey. Fold your brown paper in half and draw a large circle and a small circle. And cut the 2 large circles, but you only need 1 small circle. On the orange paper, draw and cut out a beak and legs and feet. And don't forget the wattle. Now let's glue on the pieces. Now that we've made our turkey, stack the second circle on top and staple it to the bottom half of the turkey. Take your black marker and add an eye. The next step is to make the turkey feathers by drawing your handprint on each colored paper, and then cutting them out. And the last step is to write what you're thankful for. and this is the final product. I hope you enjoyed making this craft. I'm thankful you watched this video and followed along with me. Happy Thanksgiving!